Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn how to import contacts into ihakimi Lite. This is the dashboard screen. From the left side menu, navigate to CRM and click on Imports. Once you are on the Imports page, click on the Add New Import button. Now, select the CSV or Excel file that contains the contact data you want to upload and click Upload. After the file has been uploaded successfully, you will see the field mapping screen. Here, you need to map each column from your file with the corresponding contact field in ihakimi Lite. For example, map the first name column to the first name field, last name to last name, email to email, and phone number to WhatsApp number. If your file contains additional information, you can create and map custom fields as needed. Any columns that you don't want to import can be marked as Do Not Import. Once all the fields have been mapped correctly, review the import settings carefully. Make sure the WhatsApp number field is mapped properly, as it is required for WhatsApp communication. After reviewing everything, click Save to begin the import process. The system will now import your contacts into ihakimi Lite. Once the import is complete, you can return to the Contacts section to verify that all records have been imported successfully. Your contacts are now ready to be used in campaigns, broadcasts, and automation workflows.